Welcome, today in front of me Samsung Galaxy F23, and I'll show you how to hide developer options on this device. So first you should go into the settings application and then scroll all the way down, and as can you see here, the last section is the developer options. But if they are activated, you will see this section, but if they are just hide, so the last section will be about phone. So now just click here to developer options, and just to hide them you should click here once on the switcher, and as can you see, a lot of the options they are just blocked, and when we'll go back here you can see that we stay with the last about phone section here on our device. So that's it, that's how to hide developer options on our Samsung Galaxy F23. So that's it, thank you for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.